Hey guys, welcome to Marble Twins, and in today's video we'll do a unboxing for a JBL speaker. It's a green colored, olive green, not olive green exactly. Olive green is the piche wala color. It's a green colored speaker and it has a clip to it as it is named Clip 3, and it has a textured cloth on it. And as I can see from the packing, it has a plus and a minus sign, and it's a and in between both of the sign there is a play pause button, and it has a logo embossed on it which says JBL. It's a beautiful color. There were a lot of colors available in this, but I thought rather than taking a light color, let's go for something darker shade because it has a cloth on it, so it would become dirty. So I went for a darker shade, and I love this color, so I bought it. So without any more blabbering, let's do the unboxing for this. So now we're gonna open this. And these are the box contents that you get. So these are the manuals. We'll remove the tape. So these are some obvious instructions that how to pair this with different devices, and how to increase or decrease the volume, how to pair it with the smartphone, and how to talk on the JBL speaker. Also, this can be hung on a bag. Final reveal, this is how JBL Clip 3 looks. This is the volume button to increase and decrease the volume, play pause button, and power button, Bluetooth button, and this is where the charging will happen. No need to open this, I guess. Yes, this is the clip that can be hung on a backpack when you're traveling. I feel this is the best that you can get at this price, and I had Clip 1 also, but I thought to buy another Clip 3 because I wanted to upgrade to another JBL speaker. So do the sound test. This is the maximum volume जिस पर ये है. Let's play. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.